everyone, it's Gabby, and today I'm going to talk about my apartment in Granada and how it's different from all the other housing options when you study abroad. So for my study abroad experience, I chose to live in an apartment. The three options were living in an apartment, a homestay, or the residencia. So when you live in an apartment, you are in charge of your meals. So that means you can either cook in the apartment because it does provide you with a full kitchen, or you can choose to eat out. This past month, I've really enjoyed eating out and experiencing the different Spanish food, and it makes it very convenient to do this because AIFS does provide those who live in an apartment with a meal allowance card, which is with a certain amount of money on it. So in Granada, it's really popular to walk everywhere. I have about a 25-minute walk to class every day, which isn't bad because you do get used to it, and I've honestly enjoyed walking around the city a lot because I'm able to see everything that I'm near. Living on the main street is super fun because there's a bunch of different stores and restaurants right here which are really easily accessible for me. And I actually do live right down the street from the Mercadona, which is one of the most popular grocery stores here in Granada. I'm gonna take you guys on a little walking tour down my street and down the main street of Granada so you get an idea of where I am in relation to the rest of the city. You totally get used to walking in Granada because here in Spain, everyone walks everywhere. I honestly can't even remember the last time I took a taxi or an Uber. They do have those options if you would prefer that, but I just really like walking and being able to explore the entire city. So this is one of the main streets in Granada, and there's a ton of different shops here, a bunch of different restaurants for us to eat out at. So when I walk down this street, I have the metro, which is a 3-minute walk away from my apartment. It's super easily accessible. I've actually never taken the metro before, but it's super easy to do, and I know that the prices are super cheap for it. So that's really convenient if I'm ever trying to get across town. But every time that I've had to get across town, I've just done a taxi because they're pretty reasonably priced. But everywhere else that I go in Granada, I do walk too. So this is the street that I live on, and right here is the Mercadona. If you see here, this is the Mercadona, and I live right down the street from it, which is super convenient. So if I ever need to pick up anything, I'm right here. There also is a panaderia right next to me too, which I've only been to once, but it was really good when I went there. And here we are, this is where I live. How did you forget? Super convenient. I honestly don't spend a lot of time in the apartment because I'm usually busy exploring the city, but it is nice to have a comfortable place to come back to at the end of the night. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!